Welcome to our 10-minute guided meditation for inner peace and relaxation. Before we begin, make sure you're in a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and prepare to embark on a journey of self-discovery and inner calm. Let's start by bringing awareness to our bodies. As you breathe in, imagine a warm, healing light entering your body through the top of your head. As you breathe out, feel this light gently flow down through your face, neck, and shoulders, releasing any tension you may be holding. Continue to breathe deeply as this warm light moves through your arms, chest, and abdomen. With each exhale, feel your body becoming more and more relaxed. Now, guide this light down through your hips, thighs, and legs, all the way to your feet. Feel any remaining tension or stress melting away, leaving you completely relaxed. Now that your body is relaxed, bring your attention to your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and then slowly exhale through your mouth. Allow your breath to be your anchor, keeping you present and grounded in this moment. If your mind begins to wander, gently acknowledge your thoughts without judgment and return your focus to your breath. Remember, this is a safe space for you to simply be and let go. As you continue to breathe, envision a peaceful place in your mind, a serene sanctuary where you feel completely at ease. This can be a real place or one you've imagined. As you settle into this peaceful place, allow feelings of gratitude to wash over you. Consider all the blessings in your life, the people, the experiences, and the small moments of joy. Embrace these feelings of gratitude, allowing them to fill your heart and soul, radiating love and positivity throughout your entire being. Take one more deep breath, feeling the peace and gratitude within you. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your body, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining me in this guided meditation. Remember to practice inner peace and gratitude daily to maintain a sense of calm and balance in your life. If you enjoyed this meditation, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more mindfulness content. Namaste.